Hi, after a long time, I'm again with you all. I had been repeatedly telling you people that when I get a pinch, when I get a when I get a jolt, or when I get a kick, then I feel like talking to you all. And today, one such day, it so happened early in the morning when I came to office. Then suddenly I had to go to one of the directors for certain issues. There I got a call from one of my subordinates from my previous department. Let me tell you all, I'm not sure whether I had told you or not. I'm primarily an engineer and I have little bit of knowledge of my area, which is hydraulics. Then subsequently something happened. I had been offered a purely non-technical zone by the then CMD of my company. I didn't take a time. I immediately agreed, and then subsequently there have been some more departments, and today I am in a totally new department which has nothing to do with technical aspect of my area. Now coming back to the story. When I was with my director and I was getting call from one of my subordinates from the previous department, I had to switch it off because I was not in a position to take his call. After the meeting, I gave a call to him. The first thing he said, "Sorry sir, sorry to bother you. I just wanted to say thanks to you." I couldn't understand what is the reason behind that. Sir, 2 years back, when I wanted my transfer near to my town or to my town, that is my native place, he got it done. But yes, my posting was at that point of time to a place which was around 300 to 400 kilometers away from my native place. But you got it, rather you convinced the authority of that time to mention that in my transfer order, that once a office gets opened in my native place, I would be transferred in that. And sir, I got a transfer order to my native place, which was long awaited by me and by my family members. We all are so happy, and thanks a lot. I couldn't say a thing, but yes, I was also feeling happy. I just told, now you are going to have a family life after so many years of separation. All the best, enjoy your phase. Now, the whole thing happened, and the guy still remembered that there was something which was done by me. Rather, I would not say it was done by me. I was just instrumental in getting something which was of his liking, and management agreed to do so. It was purely a win-win situation, but yes, there was somebody who could take up this issue and got it through. That is not important. Even for the last 2 years, whenever I was talking to him, yes, he used to be sometimes in very pensive mood, but he never lost heart. He never told me what he actually is wanting. Rather, he kept on telling me all the positive aspects of his life. And today when he got transferred of his liking, he gave a call and he gave thank you to me. I would say for the last 2 years, he had some faith somewhere. Maybe his faith was intact on me. He was somehow getting convinced that if I am behind something, it would be done. At least I would be trying my best to do that. That's called mutual respect and mutual understanding and mutual faith. I don't know whether I'm able to convey this or not, but what I'm trying to tell This mutual respect, mutual understanding, and faith, they are now missing in the professional field. Corporate world, sorry, it is not at all there. Because system has to run, and the prime people have become very selfish. They are primarily interested about themselves. Then they will think about others. That happens, but at least there has to be a person who can be a leader of the team and take up the issue of his subordinates, and then his subordinate will be there for him because they know that they can bank on this leader. If you open a book, watch a YouTube channel, just write leadership, we'll have many theories. But what I am understanding from my own experience, yes, we can name this as leadership, but it's ultimately a relation between two individuals where both the individuals have respect for each other. These two individuals can be family friends, family members, colleagues, senior, junior, anybody. And that mutual respect will take the whole system to a new level where the whole process will proceed seamlessly. There will be no jerky path. Everything will happen because people are believing each other. They don't feel cheated. And that is the thing which can take the system to new height. I'm just trying to give an impression from my own experience. Maybe I would be able to convey what actually I'm thinking. Let us all create a system where we can be faithful to each other. Faithful is not only between husband and wife. It can be between any two individuals. And once this feeling develops, there will be no cheating. Once this feeling develops, we will create patience. We call Hindi dharya. Then we'll create wisdom because they know they can work freely. They can work without any speed breaker, and they can utilize themselves. They can utilize their potential to a great extent because they only have to think about the betterment of company, system, and then automatically all these individuals will be benefited. My point is that these all may sound very theoretical, but at the end of the day, when we all try to introspect, we will understand how miserably these feelings are getting missed in our daily life. We all have to fundamentally understand if we can take care of our children in an unbiased manner, when they can think that our parents are here for us in a very unbiased manner, why the same feeling can be developed in the corporate world? Even in family, when the children are growing, there may be many instances where children are not getting the things of their liking. Their parents dictate prevail upon their choices in life, but they have to agree to their parents' wishes. And ultimately they realize that parents were right and their choice was correct, their decision was correct. Same feeling, if we can develop in our corporate world, I'm more than 100% sure we will be able to create a very harmonious, a very beautiful relation between the two individuals, and the corporate world will grow like anything. Maybe some other day I may be in a position to talk to you people in a more convincing manner, because the more I speak, it doesn't mean I'm speaking in a very convincing manner. I'm just repeating myself, so I may have to stop today. Thank you. All the best. Happy journey.